Hey guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to do this colorful dry brush and nail stamp design. So I already painted my nails with white polish, and I'm just going to brush on some blue, pink, and gray. I'm calling it dry brush, but it's technically not dry brush. It's more like, I guess, a color swipe. And this is a quick and easy design to recreate with any kind of colors because it just gives it a fun look. Then using my Cici and Sisi nail plate, I'm just gonna apply black stamping polish onto this nail stamp design. You can do any kind of stamping design on top of it and it will just give it a fun, cool look. This is a really weird design, to be honest. I never seen this design. I think I probably did it the wrong way. I think so, but it's my own way, and I did like the finished look of this. And like I said, I wanted to make a really simple, easy design to recreate. And I'm going to finish off with a quick dry top coat. And here's the finished look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to get updates on when I upload new videos. And check out my Instagram at Funwithmynails to see more of my nail art. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.